Hello everyone, welcome to the Judy channel. Today I'm going to show you my Nokia phone collection. Here we go. I'm going to divide the phone into the four range. The first one is the Nokia bar. Look like a candy bar. And the second is the flip style. Now, and the third one is slide. You can slide down, or you can slide up on this way. The last one is the smartphone, something like computer. Open like this, like the mini computer, and also the touch screen. I remember like 10 years ago, the girl, they don't need to bring the mirror. They can use this phone as a mirror, and then they can make up on that. I've been surprised 10 to 15 years ago. They also have like the smartphone like this, very smart. They use the window SP for the phone. And this is the part 1. Tomorrow I'm going to show you more my phone. I hope you guys are waiting and see my more phone collection. Thank you everyone for watching.